Samsung Galaxy S21 and S24 FE get One UI 7 update with Android 15. Great news for Samsung fans. After a bit of a wait, the highly anticipated One UI 7 update is finally rolling out, and it's bringing some fantastic features along with Android 15. Samsung has been hard at work ironing out the kinks, and it looks like they're ahead of schedule with this release. Let's dive into the details. The Galaxy S21 series, which was originally slated to receive the update in May, is already seeing the new software in Korea. Users there can now download the update, identified by the software version G99XNKSU8HYD9, and it's a hefty 3.5 GB file. This means that the Galaxy S21 devices are officially joining the One UI 7 party a bit earlier than expected. Party popper. But that's not all. The Galaxy S24 FE is also in on the action, receiving its One UI 7 update in India. This update comes with the build version S721BXXU3BYD9 and is a slightly larger download at 5.1 GB. Both updates include the latest security patch for April 2025, ensuring that your device stays secure while you enjoy the new features. So, if you own a Galaxy S21 or S24 FE, keep an eye out for that notification. The updates are rolling out, and soon you'll be able to experience all the exciting enhancements that One UI 7 has to offer. Happy updating!